What up, what up, what up? I'm over here, actually, Westover High School. They got a football game going on out here. But I'm doing a damn 05 Hyundai Elantra starter, which is this guy. Right here, you got two bolts on it in. It sits right here, like this, on the back side of the motor. So you actually got a bolt right here. Look like one right here. I think it's supposed to be on this side, but I know this top one, you got to get from the top. Right here. So I've already taken off this 12 millimeter. So I'm gonna show you how I got to this point. First thing you're gonna do, take off this 10 millimeter, unplug this electrical connector, you squeeze on the sides. Take off your 10 millimeter negative ground. Then pull that hose off right there. And you got electrical. Just take out this little clip right here, holding that in. You got 3 10s, 1, 2, 3. Right here, after you take out the air filter, of course. Down here, I loosened up all of these on the clips. You know, just get you a little pry tool, and you can release all the little things like this. Well, where's this light? This is where the top bolt is, right there. So look back here. There's your start. Right there. So you can see that little clip. I already took off the wire, and you can see that little clip, which is this right here, and this is a 12. And there's the top bolt right there. Oops. So I had to flip it around, but so you can see there's your positive wire right there, that red one. That's your positive. That's that 12 millimeter. So now I took all the clips. So all I got is 2 bolts. So you got one right there on the bottom. That's a 14, and one on the top. That's a 14, which I got right there, which is this guy. So you can do this from the top, and I think I can. I mean, I seen somebody, you know, they went on the bottom to get the bottom bolt, but I think you can do this job entirely from the top. I'm about to let you know. So I'm gonna take out this bolt right here. Then I'm gonna take out that bottom one, and I'm gonna see if I can pull it out from the top. Okay, so yeah, that was you know, 2 14s, and so I loosened up these wires right here to cause that's the only thing that's in the way right now. And then this right here, pull that out. There's like a 10 millimeter right there, and 10 right there. But they broke off from some prior job, I guess. And just gotta kind of wiggle, finesse it out. So it's sitting in there like that, and both of the bolts you can get from the top on this side. Now this one on the top, you know what I'm saying, I used a long extension. Boom, came right here, got it like that. That one on the bottom, you're gonna need a really good, like that right there, like a gear wrench, like a short, you know, a short one, or something like that right there, like a short one. Cause if you got a really long handle, you're not gonna have clearance, you know what I'm saying, cause you ain't got a lot of room in there. So installation gonna be opposite of removal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide it in there. I might go ahead and put this positive wire just to hold it up, and then I'm gonna start my bolts by hand, run them in there, and then just put my connector on top after I tighten that up. And that's it. You get this from the top. You ain't even gotta get up, you ain't even gotta jack the car up. But I seen somebody else, they got it from the bottom, that's cool. But it's kinda hard to get the stuff from the bottom though, if you're gonna come from the bottom. Cause you got the axle in the way, and it's sitting up kind of high on the back of the motor. So I'd recommend doing it just like I did, and you ain't got to worry about pulling out your jack. You know what I'm saying? Get it from the top. Boom, be real quick and easy. All right, 05 Hyundai Elantra starter replacement.